Pass it by.
Me I go to work today. And anybody we catch on the road, I get locked up. The truck I go full today. Mm-hmm. Only people not fit up on the road. Let me see where my boss send come give me there. Because the only people not fit up on the road. Watch out. See one come out. Whoa, police up the road. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. What you doing on the road? You know this is total lockdown, Mr. Officer. When me going? Um, I, 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 me I go at the airport. Go pick up my auntie. Your auntie. Go on. Alright. Tap tap. What are you doing on the road? Oh, oh. May I go finish a program pan the ends? Pan the ends? Alright, go on. Yeah. Alright, go on. Boom. Okay, I don't really feel like up nobody today. Tap! What are you doing on the road? Uh, uh, when me I go, sir? Oh, me I go a pharmacy, sir. Pharmacy. Yeah. Wait there. Pharmacy. Let me look if you get exempt. Him gone. How him gone? Tap! Tap. Mister! What? Yes, Mr. Officer. What you doing on the road? Oh, when me I go, sir? What you doing on the road? Me I go pick up some garbage. You work with garbage truck? And you drive a car? Me work with the garbage truck, sir. Yeah, I carry me a drive. So I must get locked up today. It's a small upcoming garbage company, sir. Upcoming. So me can go on? Alright.